Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel My Coding. In this video, I'll be talking about Introduction to Python. In Introduction to Python, there are three major questions. What is Python? Why to use Python? And where to use Python? Let's just get started with understanding with Python itself. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language which is ranked among the top programming languages in the world. It's great for beginners because it's easy to read and understand. You can use Python to make games, websites, analyze data, and so much more. One of the best characteristics of Python is this that it's a dynamic programming language. How dynamic? You might have seen in other programming languages like C, C++, or Java. When you want to declare a variable like variable A, if you want to declare variable A, you first need to mention its data type. For example, we want to store 15. We must first type int A equals to 15. We must mention the data type. That time it understands that variable A stores an integer value. But in Python it's not the case. It's much easier. You don't need to mention the data type of the variable. You just simply type A equals to 15. It itself understands that A stores an integer value in itself. Moving to the next question, why to use Python? The major reason to use Python is because it's easy to read and easy to understand. As you all know, programmers and developers, they want easy programming language or applications to code or program on. But when it comes to a student, when a student prefers to code or program on Python, that makes a point. What can be the reason? The reason is clear and simple syntax of Python. Python's syntaxes are very clear and very simple and similar to plain English. That's why the students also prefer coding and programming on Python language. Next, Python is platform independent. Python works on various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other operating systems. It's free to use. You can download it freely, and it's open source. The codes are open online. You can go search, copy them, and reuse them in your own codes and get benefit. Next, Python has a rich library support. Around 140,000 libraries are present in Python related to math, data science, AI, web development, graphic designs, and other parts, which makes the developers to code faster and easier. These developers don't need to write or code from the scratch. Next, it's embedded and extensible. Like you can code into other languages and change that into Python, or you can code into Python and change into other languages. You can call functions from other languages in your Python code and vice versa. The last one is it's portable. Like you can code into one machine and run that into another machine. These are all about why to use Python. The very last question is where to use Python. If you have watched the video carefully until now, you might have found the answer why to use Python. But again, I'll share it. Where to use Python. Python is used in AI, in neural networks, data science, data visualization, database development, graphic designs, games, and so much more. This was all about basic information about Python. I hope you guys have understood some basic information about Python. In the next video, I'll be talking about Python IDEs, installation of them, and which one is better to install. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.